Alright. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, good afternoon everyone.
Good afternoon.
Okay, guys, as you know that today we are going to do speaking examination that is about function of dancing. And here I have list of students that will present your presentation, of course. And the list are, the first one is Rasya, the second one is Iksan, the third one is Atras, the fourth one is Rafi, and the last one is Kalista. Yeah, and of course, guys, you have to have questions to ask your friends. So, do you get it? Okay, dapat dipahami?
Yes.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, thank you so much. Yeah. So now for the first speaker, that is Rasya. Please to start your presentation.
Okay.
Ya, agar terikut. Okay, sudah ada Rasya. Rasya, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready, Miss.
Okay, so Rasya, please start now.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Rafael Farabi from class Q in LKP Mr. D batch 23. Now I would like to speak untitled A Function of Dancing. Okay, here's the outline to guide my speak. There's introduction, function of dance, communication, and function of dance, reflection of national diversity, function of dance for musical inspiration, the role of dance in ceremonies and modern life, and the last one is conclusion. Okay, we straight to the material. What is the first thing that comes to mind when you hear about word dance?
Music.
Okay. So, we start to the introduction. Introduction. Dance is one of the important elements in a country's culture besides music and drama. And dance is also makes culture unique and colorful. Next, function of dance communication. Dance as a way of communicating is used to express feelings such as happiness, love, or sadness, especially in celebrations. Next, the function of dance, a reflection of national diversity. Dance reflects the diversity of a nation and its culture. Understanding a country's dance helps understand its culture. Example is flamenco in Spain reflects the culture and characteristic of the Spanish people. Okay, next is function of dance musical inspiration. Dance and music are inseparable. Dance can inspire the creation of music. Example is Tchaikovsky created Swan Lake for ballet. Okay, next. The role of dance in ceremonies and modern life. Dance plays an important role in ceremonial events in many cultures. Example is Pukumani ceremony. It reflects a relationship with the deceased. Another example is classical belly dancing in Lebanon. And the last example is in Greenland, dance and drumming are used to resolve conflicts. So in modern life, dance as entertainment and art for young people, dance can release energy and socialize at discourse. For old people, is social events and sports. The next is conclusion. Dance is a irreplaceable pillar of culture, a universal means of communication, a reflection of nation diversity, and a musical inspiration. Dance is an expression of the soul, a social glue, and internal art. So that's all my speech. Q&A session is open. There is anyone who have a question for me?
Okay, please one question for Russia, guys.
So if you are don't have any question for me,
Wait, no one?
okay.
Okay, who? Who will ask?
Yes.
Okay, please. Russia.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Atrasidan Awafi.
Okay,
I
Atras.
wanna ask you about the apa ini? About dance.
Okay.
So the question is how people resolve conflict with dance. Thank you.
Okay, Atras, thank you for the question. So your question is how people resolve conflict with dance, right?
Yes.
Okay. People resolve conflict, in my opinion, yes. People resolve conflict with dance is by using movement, emotion, and non-verbal communication. Uh, like in some culture, there is a dance that can resolve a conflict. Like they give a place to uh, release their emotion, like that. Okay, Atlas, that's enough.
Okay, that's enough. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, so that's all my speech.
Okay.
That's all my speech. Thank you for attention. I'm sorry if I have any mistake.
Okay.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, thank you Rasha for the performance and Atras for the question, yeah. So guys, let's continue to the next speaker. We have Iksan. Okay, Atras, you can stop the share screen. Atras, Rasha, and now Iksan turn. Okay. Please prepare one question for Iksan, ya.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Waalaikumsalam
wabarakatuh.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Iksan Kurnia. Our speech is function of dancing. I'm from the class G. Okay. The first in outline, stimulant question. Contain Q&A session, conclusion, and closing. Stimulation question. What is the role of dance in human life?
Entertainment.
That's right.
Okay.
Content. The function of dancing as the entertainment. Many people go to tree to enjoy dance, performance, music, and beautiful custom, which provide an amazing experience and help develop appreciation for the art. And the function of dancing as self-expression. As the medium of communication through body language, dancing can express feelings such as happiness or sadness. The function of dancing as part of culture. Dance also reflects the diversity of nations, making dance and culture inspirable. And now Q&A session is open. If you have a question.
Okay, please one question for Iksan, guys. No one? Okay, if there is no one wanna ask to Iksan, so Iksan, I'll ask a question to you, yeah? Can you hear my voice?
Yeah.
Okay. Hello,
Yes.
Iksan. My name is Aidelis. I'd like to ask a question about function of dancing. My question is, please mention the example of dance in the world that you know. I'd like to know 3 dances and where is it? Okay, please, Iksan. That's my question. Thank you.
I know dancing is K-pop in South Korea.
Okay.
And and Jaipong,
Jaipong.
and from Jawa Barat, Indonesia.
Okay. And the last one more. And one more.
Wait.
Okay.
And Tari Kecak.
Oh, Kecak.
It's from.
Where is it from?
It's from Indonesia.
Indonesia also. Okay, the country is Indonesia. Okay, Iksan, that's clear. Thank you so much. So please continue.
Okay. In conclusion, dancing plays important role in culture as a means of communication, emotional expression, entertainment, and preserving cultural identity. Thank you. That's all for me. I apologize if I have any mistake. I'm sorry about that.
Okay.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, Iksan. And guys, let's continue for the next speaker. We have Atras. Guys, please prepare one question for Atras, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, now it's clear. So Atras, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, so please start now.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Wait.
Good afternoon,
Waalaikumsalam
everyone.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
First of all, I would like to say thank you to Miss Delit who has given me opportunity to be here.
Okay.
My name is Atras Dinan Awafi from class Q in LKP Mr. D, batch 23rd. I would like to present my speech entitled Function of Dancing. Alright, let's begin. For the outline, I have stimulant question and then function of dancing, dance in ceremonial and cultural tradition, dance in modern society, Q&A session, and conclusion. Okay, next. Have you ever thought about why dancing exists in every culture even though we don't need it to survive? So why do we keep dancing?
I don't know, Atras. Can you tell us about that?
Okay, next. I will tell you. Function of dancing. Every country culture is made up of various elements such as music, drama, and dance. These form of art are enrich daily life and makes each culture unique and vibrant. Among them, dance play a particularly important role. I strongly believe this is true for three main reasons, which I will explain below. First, dance as communication. Dance is one of form of communication before human developed spoken language. Body movement and gesture were used to express thought and emotion. Over time, this movement evolved into dance, which became an important way for people to express their feeling. For example, dancing during celebration can convey emotions such as joy, love, or even sorrow. Secondly, dance reflects rich diversity of nation. Every culture has its own unique styles of dance. For example, flamenco is well-known dance from Spain. This culture of its people. In many societies, dance is not just entertainment. It is vital part of their cultural identity. By learning about country traditional dances, we gain a deeper understanding of its culture and value. Okay, the third one. Dance often inspire the creation of beautiful music. Dance and music are deeply connected and usually go in hand in hand. When people dance, they need suitable music to accompany their movement. A great example is Tchaikovsky, one of world's most renowned composer. His famous work is One Lake, was composed specifically for ballet. In fact, we can say that the ballet itself inspired Tchaikovsky to create such memorable music. Of course, other activities are all important for our culture. However, I especially mention dancing because the valid reason I have reason above. Okay, next. Dance in ceremonial and cultural
What makes you amazed?
tradition. Dance is not only an important art of form but also plays a vital role in cultural expression. Some dances occur spontaneously during celebration to express emotion, while others are performed in a more formal and structured way during ceremonies. In many cultures, dance holds a special place in ceremonial events. For instance, during the Pukumani ceremony, the dances reflect the relationship between the living and the deceased in Lebanon. In Lebanon, traditional belly dancing remained an important part of wedding celebration, symbolizing the bride's transition from purity to womanhood. And it's also a popular form of entertainment in nightclubs. Meanwhile, in Greenland, people believe that dancing accompanied by drumming can be used to resolve conflict and restore harmony within the community. Uh, okay, next. Dance in modern society. As the example above show, dance is integral part of many cultures. While its role may have changed the modern life, dancing still holds great value in today's society. Many people enjoy it as both a form and entertainment and artistic expression. Young people often go to club or party and dance, release their energy, relax and socialize. Older adults also participate in dancing as social activity and as fun way to stay physically active. That's the end of my material. Before I go to the conclusion, is there anything you want to ask?
Okay, please one question for Atras, guys. Come on. Rasha, Kalista, Raffi, Iksan.
I wanna ask a question.
Okay, please, Rasha.
Okay.
Okay, my name is Reza Farabi, and my question is, you know about dancing is influence the music. Dancing is control the music.
Okay.
Now, my question is, in your opinion, Atras, is it can be music then influence the dance, not dance influence the music?
Okay. Thank you for the
Yeah.
question.
Yeah. You're welcome.
So in my opinion, we can see the phenomenon on TikTok that some people dance by the music, or the music itself doesn't have a dance, but the people uh, create a dance for that music. So I think yeah, the music can create dance.
Oh. Okay, is it clear, Rasha?
Yeah, is it clear, miss? Thank you, Atras.
Oh, good.
Okay, thank you.
Continue, Atras.
Okay, and for the conclusion, in conclusion, dancing is no one can deny that dancing plays an important role in a culture. Dancing is much more than just form of entertainment. It is a powerful means of communication, reflection, or of cultural diversity, and source of artistic inspiration. It plays a vital role in both traditional ceremonies and modern social life, helping people express emotion, connect with others, and celebrate their identity. Therefore, if it is undeniable that dancing holds a meaningful and lasting place in human society. Okay, that's all from me. And my apologies if there's any mistake or I have for the mistake I have made. Thank you so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, thank you so much Atras for your performance and Rasya for the
Yes.
question. Thank you so much. That is great question, Rasya, and good. That also great answer. You took Rasya, Atras from the real life. That is from TikTok. That's great. Thank you Atras and Rasya. Now is the next speaker turn. That is Raffi. Please, Raffi, time is yours.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you to Miss Aidalis to provide me in here.
Okay.
Gimana, Miss?
Okay, continue. Just continue, Raffi.
Langsung itunya ya. Ke the function of dancing.
Okay.
Today here I have outlined STEM1 question, content, Q&A, conclusion, and closing. STEM1 question: how does dancing function as a form of communication if different cultures?
I don't know. Please explain, Raffi.
The dancing is an expression of emotion and creativity, and dance is powerful for self-expression. And through dance, people can converse happiness, sad, love, and other emotions. At cultural traditional function, integral knowledge. Dance is powerful medium for transmitting cultural knowledge and wisdom from elders to young generations. Number 3 is entertainment function. Dance is popular from entertainment. We see it in movies, music, concerts, and what a platform continue. And a Q&A session is open. Hancur banget gua.
Okay, please one question for Raffi, guys. No one? Okay. So Raffi, I'd like to ask a question to you. Yeah, can you hear my voice?
You can, Miss.
Okay, so excuse me, my name is Aidalis. I'd like to ask a question about function of dancing. Raffi, my question is: have you ever watched a dancing performance? Have you?
No, Miss.
Oh no. Okay. So my next question is: what is your favorite dancing and what is the reason? That's my question, Raffi. Thank you.
My favorite dancing is for my culture, Minangkabau, tari piring,
Oh.
and I like it.
Oh, you like piring dancing, yeah?
Yeah, because that's from my culture.
Oh, because your culture's identity. Okay, so that's clear enough. Thank you, Raffi. Continue.
And a conclusion, dancing is more than just movement and body language. Connect with us and express who we are, connects with others, and many culture, entertains, and keeps to healthy. It's vital part of life. Thank you.
Okay. Anytime.
Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam
Assalamualaikum.
wabarakatuh. Okay, thank you, Raffi. You can stop the screen. And the last participant, we have Kalista. Please, time is yours. Kalista, are you ready?
Ready, Miss?
Okay, so Kalista, please start now.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
First of all, I would like to say thank you to Mrs. Ayadelis who has given me opportunity to be here. My name is Primalia Kalista from Class Q in LKP Mr. Batch 23. I would like to present my speech about a function of dancing. Alright, let's begin. To guide my speech, let me provide you with a brief outline of what I will cover. The first is a meaning of dancing, and the second is function of dancing, and the third is the importance of dancing in culture, and the number fourth is conclusion and suggestion, and the last is closing. Okay, what do you know about dancing?
Oh, beautiful culture.
Beautiful culture. Okay, the meaning of dancing is rhythmic body movements usually performed to music as a form of self-expression, art communication, or entertainment. And next is function of dancing. The number one is emotional communication medium. Express feelings such as happiness, love, and sorrow. For example, dancing during celebration. The number two is reflection of cultural diversity. Dance reflects the character of a nation. For example, flamenco in Spain. The number three is inspiration for music. Dance and music complement each other. Example, Swan Lake by Tchaikovsky was inspired by ballet. And next is the importance of dancing in culture. The first is ceremonial and ritual events. Pukumani ceremony reflects the relationship with the deceased. And the number two is belly dancing in Lebanon, symbolize the transition of the bride. And the last, in Greenland, dance and drums are used to resolve conflict. The number two is modern entertainment and socialization. Young people dance in disgust to social and relieve stress. Older people dance as a social activity and a form of exercise. And number three is art appreciation. Dance performance like ballet, modern dance provide aesthetic exercise, increases appreciation for art and enriches life. And before go to the conclusion and suggestion, do you guys anyone ask to me about function of dancing?
Okay, guys, please give Kalista one question.
Why in Indonesia we have many dance and culture about
Okay.
that?
Why? Why in Indonesia
Indonesia, we have
we
what,
have
Raffi?
why
Many dancing as
have
culture, gitu ya?
many dancing
As
in
culture.
culture?
Okay.
Okay, thanks for the question,
Okay.
Raffi. Why in Indonesia?
Why Indonesian has a lot of dancing, gitu mungkin ya?
Many dancing in culture.
As culture. In your opinion saja ya, Kalista. Menurut Kalista gimana? Kenapa?
In my opinion, because Indonesian has a many culture in Indonesian, so masing-masing itu apa ya, Miss?
Sorry?
Kayak masing-masing
Each?
daerah itu
Atau every, boleh? Every area, every location, every region.
every because in Indonesian have
Okay.
wait, Miss. Mau mana saya katakan dulu.
Halo Kalista?
Okay, Miss. because in my opinion, because in animation there are many dance to show the character of each culture.
Okay.
Each culture, yes, for each culture, and this. Yes, Rafi.
Okay. Is it clear, Rafi?
Okay, is it clear, Rafi?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. To show each
Terdengar.
in every way. So thank you so much, Kalista. Continue.
And the conclusion is,
Okay, conclusion.
and the conclusion is dancing is an essential part of culture. It expresses emotion, reflects cultural identity, and brings people together through tradition, art, and social interaction. And suggestion: preserve traditional dance, support dance education and performance, and appreciate dance as both cultural heritage and a form of art. Okay, that's all about my speech. I apologize if I have any mistake. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi
Okay, Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, Kalista, for your performance and Raffi for the question, yeah. So guys, we have finished. Wait, yeah. Thank you so much for your coming and participation. That's all for me. Let's recite Hamdalah together.
Alhamdulillah.
Wait, guys. I need documentation. Please to open your camera.